Hello, good day, Jack Ofall at your service. Sa video ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung aking biniling digital TV dongle by MYPHONE. Ito siya, no? So, it costs about 500 pesos sa any MYPHONE outlet. So, okay. Siya. So, basic na basic yung kanyang packaging. And then, how to use. Yan. So, how to use. Download and install My Digital TV app from Play Store. Insert the antenna to the dongle, then plug it in USB port of the smartphone. No? So basic requirement nito is not necessarily MYPHONE ang iyong smartphone. So ang basic requirement niya is USB Auto G support for smartphones and normally Android 5.0 and up. Then of course you should download the application My Digital TV app from Play Store. So sabi niya, clear and crisp video quality, no subscription required for free air channel, no internet connection required, and ito nga, it comes with 3 months warranty. Okay, so itong binili ko ay color blue, but meron pa siya mga ibang kulay like white, black, red, and green. Okay, so let's open our unit. So ito siya. So naka micro USB na siya. And then this is our antenna. So antenna natin, yan, no? And may takip siya dito sa kabila. Open natin. So para may plug natin yung antenna, so tatanggalin natin yung ating takip. Then it comes with a looks like a 3.5 mm jack, no, ng ating earphone, no. So actually we can substitute our earphone devices para gawin nating antenna, no. Pwede nating palitan to kung meron tayong earphone. So like this one, I have earphone here, so pwede natin siyang gawing antenna. Yan. Okay, but syempre I would prefer using the actual antenna for this device. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Then plug natin sa ating smartphone. So make sure lang na before you plug it in, you already install the application, which is the My Digital TV. My Digital TV app from Play Store. So before buying it, before going to any MYPHONE store, so ano muna tayo, install nyo muna sa mga phone nyo kung nagbabala kayo nito, no? Okay, then okay, let's do some sample. Ipa-plug in ko siya sa phone ko, no. Tignan nyo na lang kung magustuhan nyo siya. Okay, let's do some testing for this DTV dongle, no? Okay, let's try to insert our My Digital TV. So ayan yung ating screen, My Digital TV. And then okay, loading, searching for channels. So ito na siya, channel GA. So at the right side, you can regulate the volume. Then yan, tap nyo yung left side para makapag-switch tayo ng channel. Itong ABS-CBN. Okay. the left side, yan, we can regulate also the brightness. Yan.
Tama po ang pinakamahirap na pagsubok sa buhay namin. Nakalabas na ako kami ng buhay.
Channels, ayan, yung mga channel natin. Some channels are encrypted, like Cinemo. Ayan, program is encrypted, so wala tayong signal. Okay. Ayan, TV5, let's try. Okay, encrypted. No signal. Yan, TV5 seg, no signal din. Okay, let's try GNTV, channel 11 by GMA.
Do not recommend it.
So,
Sir,
yan.
the review or do you not recommend it? For the inclusion to the leaking information of our program at that zero. I don't told you to recommend it. No, I don't think on your own.
Okay, dito rin sa ating My Digital TV, pwede tayo mag-record. So, ito, an example ako ng record. No.
If you do not recall something as important as this causing fee,
Let's record about 15 seconds.
you do not recall kung sino nagsabi sa inyo i-recommend mo.
Okay, stop.
You honor. Did you somebody tell you to recommend it? No, Your Honor.
Then,
Paano ka nag-recommend?
yan. Okay na.
Because let me just a very statement, Your Honor. No. Tapos tanong ko. Alam kong tinuruan ka na eh. Nahuli ka na. Darating ka rito, may record ID statement ka. Ano ka? Ano? Sino na?
Then, yan. Sige, let's try to see yung na-record natin, no? Punta tayo sa File Manager. Then, File. So, kung saan yung ating storage. And then, search tayo. Search tayo sa My Digital TV. Then, yan. Ito natin yung ating record sa GNTV. So, let's try to see recorded. So, ito yung recorded natin a while ago. 15 seconds video. Then, pag babalik tayo, sige, click nyo lang ulit yung My Digital TV kung babalik tayo sa TV. And then, mag-umpisa ulit yung kanyang opening screen, My Digital TV.
Unang paralan dito, Secretary Karin, tinatawag kayo. Summon you. Tama o hindi? That's correct, Your Honor. Hindi ko pa nababasa ito. Hindi ko na nababasa.
So, yan. Malinaw yung ating channel 11. Then, exit lang tayo kung ayaw nyo na, no? Yan. Okay, I already plug it out. So, ngayon na siya. Pag itiklopin natin ang antena, then tanggalin natin yung ating jack. Then, close natin to. So, screw natin. Yan. So, I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.